Hello, good morning. I'm Alex Blay, Head of Strategic Partnerships at Mifundo. Today, I'll show you how Mifundo is solving a significant challenge in the European banking industry that affects 45 million people, that is 10% of population. Unlike the United States, where there is an integrated credit data system, Europe's system is highly fragmented. This makes it very difficult for mobile populations to access credit products, especially Europeans relocating to another country, non-Europeans moving to Europe, individuals related to multiple countries, or buying property abroad. Without a local credit history, even financially strong individuals struggle to secure loans. For banks, this isn't just a challenge, it's a 720 billion euros missed opportunity. The problem? Lack of access to standardized cross-border credit data, making underwriting risky and inefficient. This is where Mifundo comes in. We aggregate, standardize, and simplify credit data from over 30 countries, making it instantly accessible and understandable for banks. We also handle all technological and regulatory complexities, ensuring full compliance with strict European laws. In summary, we help banks increase lending business by 15% while reducing risk by more than 7 times. Now, let me show you how it works. Okay, but first, let's look at the current situation. This is a credit bureau report from Poland. So there's a lot of information, difficult to interpret, even if you speak Polish. But in most countries, most banks, not in the UK, first scenario is when foreigner comes, non-resident comes, is no thank you. We don't grant loans to foreigners. Second scenario is, okay, go to your country, download the report, your credit bureau report, even pay for it, stamp it, translate it. So customer journey is a nightmare. So having said this, we're going how Mifundo presents the information. This is a dashboard. This is a user interface. You can access, a bank can access Mifundo with a dashboard user interface or with API integration. And this is what the dashboard shows. Every line is a credit applicant. You can see countries and the creator. Creator is the person that made this query to the databases. Could be officer branch, could be a risk analyst, or if streamlined with APIs, this is an fully automatic process. So let's simulate. We are going to query a new credit applicant. I'll put my email. I'll select the countries. By the way, we can do multi-country request. So we're querying from Germany, Schufa, a credit bureau in Germany, our partner there. And we select the data package for Germany. So here we have 4 options. This gives the bank the flexibility to choose what piece of information you need at every time, and you pay for that piece of information only. So at earlier stages in the credit application process, you may need only scoring, and at the later stage, you may need a full package. So let's select all of this. Now we are querying, for instance, a German citizen who is relocating to the UK, or, for instance, a British national who has spent some years in Germany and now is returning to the UK. So we'll submit this query. And, OK, you see here, first line, this is the one I created. Now you see here status. Status is waiting for customer. And this indicates that when the bank queries the database, we need to have consumer consent before pulling the data. So we have to go through consumer consent. Once we get this consumer consent, we go through identification and consumer consent. I'll skip this because it takes 2-3 minutes, but for time constraints, I will skip this process. It can be done mobile, it can be done on the website. But assuming that this customer has already given the consent, so it indicates completed by customer, let's look how a credit report would look like. So this is how Mifundo presents the credit report as the one we saw, but complete different thing. simple, clear information, only relevant information, standardized information. This is the name of the credit applicant, the country we have queried, the data package, the credit score. This is Mifundo's credit score, standardized score. So every country in Europe, or most all, have different scoring systems. So we calculate one pan-European score, so you can compare apples to apples. We have other ratios like PD or DTI. We have total income, total monthly loans, liabilities. And because this is a good profile, a good score, there are no warnings, so no defaults, etc. Then we can go on to personal details. Okay. Then we can go on income. Most of credit bureaus do not provide income information, but we have here below we have open banking data income information. We can zoom in, so we have sources of income, salary, pension fund, government, whatever. Same thing for liabilities. We have this double matching with credit bureau data and open banking data. So we have two loans, and we have this matching. We can zoom in if it's a consumer loan, a mortgage loan, who is the lender, and so on. And also we have credit history, credit bureau history, indicating the contracts, the loans that this person had in the past, which are closed, and if any contracts in delay. In this case, it's a good profile, so no contracts in default, no delays. And last, we have some additional information, like local, in this case, Germany, score, gambling expenses, any other warnings, real estate related to this person, companies related to this person, etc. And you can always download also the original file, the raw data, if you want to run your own risk model. So thank you very much. We will have a stand here at S15 if you want to meet afterwards. Thank you.